Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve NTA sample question 2021 JEE Main. Question number 10. Which of the complex number when added to the complex number z is equal to 4 into e to the power 5 pi by 4 into I will result in the sum having the greatest distance from the origin of Argand plane? Four options are given. This is the question in the house of complex number. So at first let's draw the axis at first. This is our x and y axis, and we should calculate the it will result the sum having greatest distance from the origin of Argand plane, the complex number. So the complex number having the greatest distance, so this is the plane, Argand plane. Here is the plane and the perpendicular line is this. So this angle is pi by 4. This angle is pi by 2, and when we plot this is pi by 2, so this one is pi by 2, pi by 4, and this one is pi by 4. We should calculate the greatest distance from the origin. So if it is pi by 4 and here it is pi plus pi by 4, so it is 5 pi by 4, and this one is pi by 4, and from this to this it is pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. So if we take the point is here, then it is not the maximum from the origin, but this if we take here it is, so this origin is we should calculate this origin. So here the point is situated. So now moving to the our question, that is the point is situated at the greater than pi by 2 plus pi by 4, and so it is 3 pi by 4, and less than 2 pi minus pi by 4. So here we get 7 pi by 4. So the argument of z must be lies on 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. So argument of z is greater than 3 pi by 4 and less than 7 pi by 4. So this is the slab here. Now moving to our option 3 shows that the sum of the having the greatest distance of the origin is 2 into e to the power minus 3 pi by 4. So it is minus 3 pi by 4. So minus 3 pi by 4 plus we add 2 pi, then it is 5 pi by 4. So this is our required answer, as because option 3 is our correct choice. So as because 5 pi by 4 is lies between 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4, 2 in between. So argument of z is equal to 5 pi by 4, and option it is e to the power minus 2 into e to the power minus 3 pi by 4 into I. This is our correct choice. So option 3 is our correct choice. Now moving to the problem 11. If fx is equal to mod of x square minus 5x plus 6 for the region x greater than 2 and ax minus b for the region x less or equal to 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2, then the value a and b cannot be. Four options are given. Cannot be, which is not happening case. So we all know this is the question in the house of function. So we all know if a function is continuous, then f of minus 2 is equal to f of 2 is equal to f of 2 plus. So this is the condition of continuity. Now given is x square minus 5x plus 6. So at the point x is equal to 2, this become 2a minus b. So if we take then mod of 0, so mod of 0 from the that is equal to 2a minus b. That implies 2a minus b is equal to 0 here. So if the function is continuous, then therefore if the function is continuous, then 2a minus b is equal to 0. It is obviously happened. So option let's take the option a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. So this is 2a minus b is equal to 0. It is happened here. Option b, obviously right. Option 3 is not so it is not satisfied. 2a minus b is equal to 0. Option 4 also satisfied. So which option is then the value a comma b cannot be. So cannot be is option 3 is our right choice. So here is the solution up to question. Any question, any query about this topic or the answer, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.